Would you like an easy way to instantly make your composition stronger? Try looking out for repeating shapes. They're everywhere, and most people walk straight past them. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. Patterns are one of the secret weapons of great composition, and they're hiding in plain sight. When you train your eye to spot repeating shapes, everything improves. Balance, rhythm, structure, symmetry, and visual flow. The human eye loves order, and patterns give your images a natural sense of design. So here's your daily habit. Just take 3 photos of repeating shapes. Look out for elements like windows in a row, fence shadows, tiles and bricks, lines of books or chairs, triangles and staircases, or anything else that repeats. And because you only get 3 frames, you're forced to be selective. And that selectiveness is what helps build a strong photographer. Once you start seeing patterns, you can't unsee them, and your composition will improve faster than you think. If you want to see how this fits into the full 10-minute visual workout, plus the light study and all 4 daily tasks, watch the full video, train your eye in 10 minutes a day here, or the link is right below. And next week we're stepping it up. 3 frames with no people, a great test of pure composition. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon.